threw a few sticks of wood in the boiler. We're already, well, it's only a little after 2. I just put them in. We're up to 192. It just cut off. Stack temperature is 440. And now when you look at the stack, you might see some steam coming out of it now. Ooh. I don't know if you can see the heat waves in that or not. But it just shut off, and there it goes. Now it's going to steam. Has a little bit of smoke. I put pine in there. Now you get the backdraft. If you open that door now, you get a heck of a backdraft. Watch this. Another guy did a movie on it. It was pretty slick. The flame will come out big time. I imagine people with boilers know about this. But that's kind of neat. Anyway, this is just a follow-up. I got to put my wheelbarrow back. That's my ashes. I've taken 1 load of ashes out so far. Coming on back here. It's just a little after 2. So I've cleaned the boiler, refed it enough. There's the house heat. Just that pump there was running. The house heat just turned off, so it's not asking for any house heat. She's up to 194 now. It'll probably climb up to about 200. If it goes up to 204, it turns on what I call a dump zone, so it'll just throw the heat out into the greenhouse, which the greenhouse always wants heat. Anyway, it's still kind of crappy out here. Don't know what I'm going to get into next. I got to fix a ladder. I guess I could go show you that. And we'll walk through my mess. I'm a mess. I got a million things going on every day. If I videoed all this stuff all day long, it would I don't know if it'd amaze you, go, man, it's time to retire. You do more work after you retire than you do than when you're working. Here's the ladder that I got to do the repairs on. Look at that. I don't like fiberglass ladders particularly, but this thing here pulled out of both sides. See it? So what I did is went down to my handy dandy parts department. I don't know whether I have those pieces in here or not. I mean, I know they're in here. I gotta mark them and drill them, so I think that's probably what there they are. I got little pieces of aluminum angle iron, and what I'll do is I'll drill it. I'll drill it so it fits in there like so, and then reattach those other pieces. So that's what we'll be working on, I guess, this afternoon. Lordy, old man's wore out already. It's only 2 o'clock. That's what happens when you get old. Here's all my junk, all my tools. You never have enough tools, never have enough gas. I gotta go. I still haven't run up to PA and picked up my no lead gas, but I got to. All right, that's it. This is a real quick one. Over and out.